In this video, we will see about how to print n-natural terms and get their sum using Python. Create a variable n is equal to int input, enter number of terms for I in range n plus 1, print I, comma, end is equal to double quotation comma. So run the program. 5. Oh, we don't need 0 here, we need it from 1, and we don't need this comma. So in range 1 comma n plus 1, and if I is not equal to n, else print I. So run the program. 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. And how to get the sum? So we create a is equal to an empty set, and a dot append I, print sum is equal to sum of a. Sum is a function, it will give the sum of a. So 5, yeah, 15. Okay, about 9. Okay, so thanks for watching.